Situated in Seto City, Japan, the Maruwa factory is a high-tech ceramics manufacturing facility that stands on a site marred by a history of illegal dumping. The factory's most prominent feature is an elegant span that connects the complex's two production areas. Innovative design strategies adopt a biophilic approach that features passive heating and cooling technologies using natural ventilation, together with a light-filled atrium that promotes collaboration and occupant well-being. Outside, the factory has created a dual-use open space that serves as a discharge reservoir to contain floodwater runoff. Through its integration of sustainable building materials, energy-efficient systems, and resilient landscaping features, the project sets a high bar for environmentally conscious industrial development.